What's good? What's up? Can Zakaria make a new video? And I'm going to be showing y'all Flarp noise putty. Yep, right, and mine is green. Mine is green. Hey, my sister is recording. Okay. I'm gonna put. So this is kind of like song, but it's more fartier. So yeah, I'm gonna prank my teacher and my friends of my classroom. I'm gonna say,
my sister.
Oh,
she said that she's gonna prank her teacher and her friends. Right.
I'm gonna take the school around, going and farting around people.
So first, I was gonna do a really creative.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back up in here, and I'm gonna show y'all what kind of noise it is gonna make.
I already did, and plus I have
fart.
other kinds of slime.
See?
See this?
It made that noise.
But this one,
it takes a very long time for it to go down. Well, not very long, but it takes a.
Then put
this is what Trinity have.
She even got strawberry, banana, and lime.
She lucky.
She got strawberry, banana, and lime. Well, at least we got 3 of them.
Yeah, and I put out my freaking tooth at Old Charlie's today. Like a couple of minutes ago.
Only got a little bit
left.
Only got a little bit.
Now we at our house.
Let's get it. Okay.
We gotta go in my skirt, my second room, and
this is what I do. I'm back. That was so easy.
Oh.
Put on the Xbox for me, the body. I don't know how. Just press the thing. I don't know how.
JCPenney's Power Penny Days are here. Friday through Sunday for select $5 towels, $11 flannels for him, $13 denim for the kids, and $15 sweatshirts for her. Plus, save an extra 20%. Hurry, end Sunday. JCPenney.
Dates, cashews, chocolate chips, and sea salt. I don't know how they made 4 simple ingredients taste like cookie dough, but I am not complaining. Larabar, food made from food. Oh, look, another anti-wrinkle cream in no hurry to make anything happen. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair works in just 1 week with the fastest retinol formula to visibly reduce wrinkles. Neutrogena. I have no idea what's in the seaweed wrap. But with this USB seal, I know exactly what's in my Nature Made gummies. Nature Made has the first gummy certified by USP, a nonprofit organization that sets purity and potency standards.
Weird. We're super normal.
A Bad Mom's Christmas. Rated R.
Right now at Kohl's Home Sale, get an Instant Pot or Air Fryer just $99.99. Cuddle Dud Sheets or Throws $29.99. Plus, take an extra 20% off when you spend $100 or more. You'll get Kohl's cash too. Right now at Kohl's.
There's a little light of mine.
I should have got the strong.
I'm gonna let it shine. There's a little light of mine.
If I went up in the store, I would get strawberry. No, if I went up in the store, I would get pink.
There's a little
because that's strawberry. But I don't have my pink on. And if y'all think of what is this, I'm messing up.
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
Outside, like a club.
Sounds like a real banger.
The Good Place. Be there when the conversation starts. Next Thursday, 8:30 on NBC. A deadly collapse traps one of their own.
We're suffocating.
Chicago Fire. Tonight, 10 9 Central on NBC.
So teacher, they call it.
Okay, Google, turn down the lights. Okay, Google, turn on the lights.
Great. Mom's home.
Tony, I don't know what's going on here, but Karen always takes things too far. And she is grinding up against me right now, isn't she?
Yeah, she was, but it's more like a dry hump thing with a little bit of spankings.
I want to do a shout out to her if y'all.
Isn't there something that you would like to say to Tony?
Yes. I'm so sorry that I didn't think of this earlier. Hands up, Pertwee. Now have a good time.
Wait, I got shout outs, Jilly Wilma.
It's okay, Grace. Every time she does it, I make her send a grant to hurricane relief.
Karen, I don't know where to start. You have got to stop sexually harassing the employees.
And please,
it's bad enough when you do it to me.
My sister, she didn't want to make it so she made ZFRISON.
Why are you fighting for yourself?
Download from baby, go do
You, honey, that is exactly what you need.
I am his boss. I would never even think that.
Oh, right. Because your snooch tied.
My snooch is not dead.
Then why isn't it breathing?
That's how good I am.
For Halloween last year, I went as my favorite singer, Lady Gaga. You guys know who she is?
I forgot to tell y'all that I am.
Know who she is. Excuse me, I sewed my own meat dress. I went as Lady Gaga last Halloween.
And the one before that, and the one before that. And sometimes not Halloween. So, Skip, you didn't mention why you and your parents are here in New York.
I'm going to a camp upstate somewhere.
The best theater camps are upstate. French Woods, Stage Door. Let me go to my apartment and get some props for you to take with you. Oh my God, this is so much fun. I can't believe this.
How old is my grandpa?
He is in his early 100s. Yeah. And if you tell him he looks 85, he'll be so flattered. Elliot.
Hey, Will.
Yeah, he brought a
Not cool.
You cannot just run off like that.
Oh, look at you. You're a real Texan now.
I am. I drank the Kool-Aid and can no longer separate church and state. It's my wife, Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. It's a really cute place you have here. Oh, it's very artsy.
Seriously.
Emma's never been here before.
You don't say.
So, is Z to the L to the K to the J to the O-Y. And I'm back with another video, but it's gonna be to the end. Bye. See you guys next time. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.